Ever had a cough that just wouldn't go away? A cold that felt heavier than usual, or breathing that suddenly felt harder than it should? What if I told you that these everyday symptoms that you experience is a sign of something deeper, something affecting one of the most vital organs of the system, which is the lung? This is what we call the respiratory infection. However, what is respiratory infection that affects the lungs? Respiratory infection is an infection that affects any part of the breathing system. This includes the nose, throat, airways, and lungs. These infections happen when viruses, bacteria, and sometimes fungi enters the respiratory tract and begin to multiply, causing significant or minor irritation and other problems. So, respiratory infections are among the most common illnesses that is known worldwide, which affect both adult and children, and the ranges from both mild to serious type of respiratory infection.